crisis communication and real-time emergency notification. These are topics that are all too often discovered in schools that are, well, not very well equipped to do so. So often we see in schools antiquated communication systems that are not keeping up with the speed of emergencies. Now, this sometimes is the old-fashioned hardwired phone that rings directly into the front office, but sometimes it's just two-way radio communication or a PA system that maybe not everybody can hear. Understanding that real-time emergency communication is incredibly important in times of crisis, ranging from active shooters to a medical emergency to maybe something as simple as a slip and fall or a fight in the hallway. Sharing information real-time is critical for everybody involved. Number one, to get help on the way, and whether that help is other administrators for maybe a fight in the hallway, or for police during an active shooter incident, or even emergency responders or medical technicians for a medical emergency. The faster that information can travel and get out of the school, the faster resources are going to come. The other big component is letting everybody else know that there's an emergency. While one or two people may see the fight in the hallway, or someone may realize that there's been an intruder that has jumped the school fence, not everyone may know that. And so sharing real-time information to have the school put on lockdown, to have various response protocols begin, will not start until everybody knows what's happening. And there's been so many instances where the people in the event in real time know what's going on, but did not have the ability to effectively communicate to others or to call for help, sometimes seconds, if not moments later. In times of crisis, speed of communication and notification is incredibly important. So I can't underscore the value of the ability to talk in real time, to communicate in real time, and especially with equipment and methods that are tried and true that will work in those instances.